I can't believe this, man. I made a huge mistake when copying these sneakers off the Nike SNKRS app. We're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. You guys already know it's greatly appreciated. And I appreciate everybody in yesterday's video comment and let me know how many sneakers you have in your collection. That was super dope to see. Some dude said he had like 600-700 pairs. I said, bro, that is ridiculous. But like again, man, thank you guys for interaction in yesterday's video. I'm gonna try to do that more often throughout the rest of the videos for 2023, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, if you guys already like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes push the videos, it pushes the channel. It shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content, man. So feel free, drop a like or two. And before we jump into this unboxing from the Nike SNKRS app, today's sponsor is Black Tailor. Now, if you guys don't know who Black Tailor is, you must not be a follower of your boy, The Vintage. I've been talking about, Black Tailor for so long now. I'm putting you guys on with different lookbooks, clothing hauls, styling videos with Black Tailor. And I'm telling y'all, that has some of the best cargo pants, best pants in general to rock with your everyday fits, man. In today's video, they sent over a bunch of pants and I was able to style them with the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. You guys know I'm on the Lost and Found Chicago high. I've been wearing them so much lately, but I styled a couple of the pants that did send over. I'm gonna put the name of the pants I'm wearing, and all the sizes that I did get was a size 34, man. That's what I go with, true to size. And I would definitely recommend you guys go true to size when you are purchasing things from Black Tailor. Their summer collection 2023 is officially live right now. They have a couple of various different amount of pants, stuff like that they are offering for summer collection 2023. I'm gonna put a couple of screenshots up here so you guys can tap in, check them out. If it is something you actually do rock, go ahead and tap in with Black Tailor. I can't believe I got this far in, this video without telling you guys the discount code is RealTheVintage10. I'm gonna tag it right here and I'm gonna tag it down below in the description box. You guys are not, steer in the wrong direction. Use that discount code, save you some money on your purchase. Tell me your boy The Vintage sent you. They have a lot of dope stuff. Every time you guys see me doing own feats and stuff like that, 9 times out of 10, I have Black Tailor down below for the pants, man. So don't sleep. I'm gonna link them down below along with all the products you guys see in this video. Super dope material, super dope quality. Definitely getting your bang for your buck, man. All right, man, so now we are back to the sneakers. Now I was super excited about copping these joints. I even hit the homie up, the Retro Wiz. I said, bro, I finally got a pair. I couldn't believe it. I said, you know what? Now it's about to be, a little different trend for your boy, The Vintage. But lo and behold, when I show you guys the shoe, you're gonna know exactly what happened. Lo and behold, your boy made a huge mistake, bro. And it usually does not happen like this, man. So I'm gonna stop giving you guys no context. We're actually gonna pull the sneakers out of the box. Like I said, once you guys see the box, you're gonna know exactly what happened, bro. Like, come on, man. I think I did this to myself. But I gotta put a little bit of blame on Nike as well, man. So let's go ahead and get into the box. You guys see it. You have a red Nike box. And yesterday or the day before yesterday, we got to release over a pair of Nike Vomeros. And go ahead and check out the size label. What do you guys see wrong, bro? Size 9 woman, size 7.5 in men. Your boy definitely messed up. You feel me? Made a huge mistake. And we're going to read the first colorway. Pink foam, team red, and sail. Size 9 women, 7.5 men's. And you guys get this, y'all get the drift, right? And oh my God, bruh. These joints is tough too, man. And it's crazy, right? I was not gonna drop this video until, like I said, I hit up the homie, the Retro Wiz. I said, bro, I finally got a pair of the Vomeros. And I said, bro, I'm super excited. I'm gonna start copping more of them. And he's like, that was a woman's release, right? I said, no, it wasn't. He said, bro, yeah, it was. And I seen it, I got a size 9 in women's, dog. Super tough. But I actually did like this colorway. I had a fit and everything in mind for these. I got a perfect hat to go with them. And yeah, bro, and they look super comfortable. Look at the outsoles. They definitely snapped on the Vomero 5, bro. Especially with this colorway. I really do dig it. I really do like it. And so you guys already know what I have to do, bro. Y'all know what I have to do. I have to send these back to Nike, but I'm SOL as far as getting a size 9 in men's because they're currently sold out, man. So yeah, bro, your boy definitely messed up. The materials is super dope on these, bro. Like, look at the caging system they threw in the heel. And even where the Nike swoosh is at, they threw a nice little cage effect around it. Got some ballistic mesh on the toe box of the sneaker. And the entire midsole looks super comfortable, bro. It says Cushlon. Pretty sure it's just some super soft cushion in that midsole area. Man, these joints is dope, bro. And down here on the insole, it says Bowerman Series. I don't know what that means. I'm pretty sure you guys do, especially if you're rocking the Vomeros. Who was that guy inside these joints right here? Honestly, couldn't tell you. But yeah, man, your boy DaVincis was definitely about to rock out with a pair. I was gonna do something dope with these Vomeros, man, but it looks like I'm gonna have to either buy this colorway on StockX or Gold, or I'm gonna have to wait till the next release. And it is some more super dope colorways in the Vomeros dropping. And if you guys have any Vomeros in your collection, please let me know down below in the comment section. And I got a question, bro. I got a question. This is a real question. You guys know how we interact yesterday, yesterday's video and today's video, man. Please let me know if you have ever got confused with, the women's releases and, versus the men releases like me. Your boy bought a size 9. And the reason why I say it's kind of Nike's fault is because Nike usually when they drop a Jordan women's exclusive, they automatically do the size conversion. So once you click on the buy now, it has 10 to have women, 9 men. But for these Nike Vomeros, it was a totally different case. And you guys can see, I got a size 9 in women, bro. Like, come on, man. How did I do this? So yeah, you guys let me know if that ever happened to you down below in the comment section. I hope I'm not the only one, bro. Let's laugh with each other. Y'all be honest. Let me know what happened down below in the comment section so we can have a good talk down below. But that's neither here nor there. Like I said, I know I messed up. You guys will see an unboxing or reviewing on feet of these very soon. I really wanted to break these things down, throw them on feet, because like I said, they look comfortable. The colorway is super nice. And like I said, I love what Nike is doing with the Vomero model. So I'm gonna try my best not to show these anymore after today's video until we do the reviewing on feet. But I just think it's super crazy how, we got a shock drop over the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements, and those release after the Air Jordan 1 Palominos, and that, it looks like, or starting to look like we might not see a shock drop, but who knows? We might get a shock drop over the Palominos, we might get an exclusive access, but all I know is your boy DaVintage is definitely doubling up on these things. Super nice materials, super dope colorway, and I definitely think that these definitely gonna stir the pot as far as Jordan 1's releasing this year. I know it's a huge debate. Is the Palominos the best? Is UNC toes the best? Or is it even the Spider-Man 1s? Like, even people saying the Spider-Man 1s the best ones to drop this year. But bruh, I have all 3 of those. And just keeping it a stat, keeping it honest, I really would take these over any Air Jordan 1 that has dropped this year so far. But that's just me. You guys let me know. Like I said, shock drop. I thought we were gonna get a shock drop. We have been hearing rumors, but they already shock dropped the Red Cement 4s, and the Red Cements dropped after these Palomino 1s, which these are scheduled to drop September the 2nd, man. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Make sure you guys go check out Black Tailor. Use my code RealDaVintage10. You always ask me what pants I'm rocking on my own feet. I said 9 times out of 10, it is from Black Tailor. So use my discount code RealDaVintage10, which will be linked down below in the description box, man. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. Subscribe right now if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop. Please leave a huge like before you slide out of today's video, man. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.